Hello student, today we are going to discuss the same chapter but the new topic, that is what if it's rain heavily. So today we are going to study the problems caused by heavy rains are given below. So what are the problems we will suffer when the heavy rains flow? The first one is heavy rains in the city area leads to the waterlogged road and street. It means water का collection हो जाएगा, इकट्ठा हो जाएगा and street. This disrupts the traffic on the roads and causes inconvenience to the people. So basically I can say waterlogged in the road and street causes we will not able to move from one place to another in the road. Heavy rains may cause flood. Heavy rains leads too much raise in the level of water in a rivers. The river water start overflowing from its bank and spread over the large area and causing flood. So I can say, like, when the heavy rains occur, these rains will go to the river and river will cross the bank and it's spread over the large area and causes floods. The animals living in the water are carried away by the fast flowing flood water, and these animals after getting trapped on the land area, and when the flood water recedes, they die. So once the basically I can say the animals will also flow from the water once the flood is occurred, so they will reach on the land, and when the flood is reduced, they gonna die because they will not get sufficient amount of water. Heavy rains also kill the animals living in the soil because such animals do not get air to breathe when all the soil get covered with the flood. So you can see in this picture these people are suffering from the flood. They are not able to move from one place to another. This is also animals are also suffering from flood. Okay, what happen if does not rain for a long period of time? So what we will suffer if the rain will not fall for a long period of time? If it does not rain in a region for a long time, it causes drought. The lack of rain for a long period may causes drought. Problems faced by the people because of drought in area are as follow. In drought condition, the soil does not have sufficient moisture to grow crops well. So basically I can say कि drought areas में the soil will not get sufficient amount of moisture to grow the crops. Since the crops plant do not grow well, drought leads to the shortage of food for the people in that region. In drought conditions, vegetation such as grass and other fooders does not grow well and leads to the shortage of fodder for the domestic animal. Basically, I can give example like a cow, buffalo, goat. All these are dependent on the grass or fodders. If they will not get sufficient amount, they will suffer shortage of food. Due to shortage of food and fodder, many people living in the drought affects the area even migrate to other places along with their domestic animal in searching food and fodder. So when they will not get sufficient amount of food or the animals will not get sufficient amount of fodder, so they migrated from one place to another. So you can see in this picture like soil is fertile, less fertile just because of droughtness. Picture of extremely dry crack the soil in the field, which causes less production in the crop. So for today, thank you so much. We will continue